All right, use cases. Let's talk about a couple, I think some that I've already mentioned. So I'm going to go back here. We're going to start seeing PCAPS coming in, I mentioned. It'll go into LimaCharlie artifact. If you're, and we have different webinars and training for this, but if you're familiar with artifacts, you know that you can run automated rules whenever an artifact comes in, and you can do things from there. So here's the use case. I want to take all of the PCAPs that I collect from my net endpoints, and I want to take those very bulky PCAPs that I'm going to try to limit my cost here. So I'm going to limit the amount of time that I retain those, but I want to retain at a longer scale the Zeek logs from those PCAPs. So I can come in, create a DNR rule, very basic DNR rule that we have here. What this DNR rule will do is I'm saying the artifact type PCAP on the event ingest, meaning we just received it. And the target is artifact events, so that it's not EDR events, but it's events for artifacts. I want to do the following. So in this case, I want to do a service request. So the action service request to the service called Zeek. The request itself contains an action that's called run on. I want to give it an artifact ID, which is found here. This is a reference to the event that we're getting in, that we're ingested, with a retention of 30 days. So I create this rule, hit save. Immediately after this, all the PCAPs coming in will automatically, upon ingestion, get sent into the Zeek service. The Zeek service will run over those PCAPs and result in Zeek logs. Those Zeek logs will get automatically re-ingested as artifacts, and that is what you're seeing here. That's from one of our boxes coming from net. So I have the connection.log, the HTTP.log, all the well-known log files from Zeek. And because artifact systems support Zeek logs, it means that as those come in, again, we parse them as JSON. So we convert them from plain text into a JSON well-structured format. And again, that means that you can create another set of automated rules that look for specific things within your Zeek logs. So in a very trivial way, now you can start building and learning in LimaCharlie Net through DNR rules, which apply from everything from EDR all the way to net, and artifacts. So you can create those rules and start generating alerts. And everything that I've pointed out so far can be done through the UI, the APIs, and it's 100% cloud-based. So those PCAPs don't have to go through some on-prem thing. There's no infrastructure. It's entirely transparent from the cloud.